Few of nature's animals are as misjudged as bats. The United States Fish and Wildlife Service wants to set the record straight and help others recognize the importance of bats. Though often feared and abhorred as sinister creatures of the night, bats are vital to the health of our environment and our economy. Here you'll learn more about why bats are so important, the threats they're currently facing, how bats are being conserved, and how you can help create a bat-friendly environment. Bats play a crucial role in pest control, pollinating plants and dispersing seeds across the land. Recent studies estimate that bats eat enough pests in the United States corn industry alone to save more than $1 billion per year in crop damage and pesticide costs. Across all agricultural production, consumption of insect pests by bats is believed to have resulted in a savings of more than $3 billion per year. Even though many bats eat insects, others feed on nectar and provide critical pollination for a variety of plants like peaches, cloves, and bananas. Bats are actually the sole pollinator for the agave plant, a vital ingredient in tequila. A third bat food source is fruit, leading to yet another essential role in the ecosystem: seed dispersal. Fruit-eating bats can account for as much as 95% of the seed dispersal responsible for early growth in recently cleared rainforests. Unfortunately, the population of bats is declining across the globe. Many bats are senselessly killed because a lot of people do not understand the important role bats play in having a healthy ecosystem. For bats that sleep in caves, the need for shelter during hibernation puts them at another disadvantage in the winter. Human activity resulting in damage to habitat and disruptions during hibernation is detrimental to bats. Making matters worse, a fungal disease called white nose syndrome has claimed the lives of more than 5 million bats since its discovery in 2006 and has spread across North America at alarming rates. The fungus can be transmitted from bat to bat, cave to bat, and even cave to cave as people inadvertently carry the fungus on shoes, clothing, or equipment. Since most bats hibernate in the same caves over the winter, the fungus can decimate an entire bat colony once it is established. Across the world, scientists are working together to protect bats, research treatments to halt the spread of white nose syndrome, and raise awareness about just how incredible and vulnerable bats are. More than 15 different bat species are currently listed as federally endangered, threatened, or under review in the candidate or petition process under the Endangered Species Act. There are also many bat species that have not been researched enough to be able to determine their conservation needs. Biologists and researchers complete bat surveys and utilize bands and transmitters to learn more about movements, habitat, and lifespans. One recent study led to the discovery of a large summer roost for Indiana bats in Missouri. A single tree was providing refuge to more than 150 endangered Indiana bats.